Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into the IPSY Glam Bag. This is your $13 a month base glam bag. Sorry, there was a cat hair on my lip. And the bag is actually super cute this month, and we're going to jump in. This is also the first month of the Boxy Charm by IPSY merger for the base box. So with all of that in mind, I'm expecting a dynamite month from IPSY in all boxes, and I'm hoping not to be disappointed. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this bag with me, stay tuned. So like I said, look good, do good is the theme, and I think this bag is really cute. The Boxy Charm by IPSY Glam Bag Plus size no longer comes with a bag, but the Glam Bag still is. I don't know if that's forever or if that's just for now. Now I am going to take you through the 5 products in there, but I am going to grab my phone and I'm going to use the IPSY app just to look up all of the information on each of the products. I definitely like this more than a theme card because it is a lot more, eco-friendly. We're going to jump right in. First product is from Benefit Cosmetics, and this is the Professional Good Clean Mini Foam Cleanser. Retailing, this is a deluxe sample, but this is a enlarged visible pores, not with this cleanser. It will help you to reduce the look of large pores with lemon extract, white antioxidant-rich yuzu extract, and bisabolol. Wow, that is a word. They will help to smooth and brighten your complexion. Now, I have used 4 of these 6 products in this professional line, and I've loved all of them so far. Obviously, I'm not going to cleanse my face right now, so I'll have to let you know in an upcoming video what I think about this. But I will say I have enjoyed all of the products in this line so far, so I'm optimistic I'm going to like this one too. The next product comes from the brand Grown Alchemist, and this is the hand cream. I thought it was going to have a more interesting name than that, but it does not. It is the Grown Alchemist hand cream. Now, this is the scent Vanilla and Orange Peel, also a deluxe sample for times when your hands feel dry and rough. The dreamy vanilla and orange peel scented cream helps to alleviate and restore your hands to a soft and supple state. They will feel nourished, smoothed, and never greasy. Spoiler alert, I did actually open this and apply this right before I started filming, and I'm a big fan. I will say I get much more of the orange than I do the vanilla, which I'm not mad about. A lot of my fragrances are very spicy and warm and vanilla-y, so going a little more citrus on the hands I think is good. I will also say that it's less orange and more like clementine tangerine. So if that's a scent you like, I think you'll really like this. I can tell you already this is going to live right here on my desk in front of me because I really enjoy the way it feels. I love the way it smells. And it's something that I really should be applying more because my hands do get very dry. Next, from the brand Ariza, and we've gotten a few items from them in the past. This is their Glow Up Lip Balm in the color or shade Watermelon Waves. Retailing for $16. Ride through righteous waves of hydration and watermelon flavored juiciness with this Luxe Lip Balm. Your dry, damaged lips will thank you as watermelon extract, shea butter, and rice germ oil replenish your chapped lips and restore a soft, supple feel. Now, I put on a lip mask in an earlier video, but that's mostly sunk in already. What I really like about this already is it's a lip balm, but it is a doe foot wand. So much easier to apply. Really, really smells like watermelon. I think what I really like about this is the tint is very, very barely there. Like, you can tell I have a little bit of something pink on the lips, but it's enough that I can get away with wearing this with no makeup on and not look like I have a lip on. Not that there's anything wrong with wearing a lipstick if you don't have any other makeup on, but I personally don't love when I have, like, nothing on anywhere and then a tinted lip product. And the last 2 items are going to be those every month we get an eye duo or a liner, things that are a little less exciting, I'm going to be honest, but they do sometimes surprise me. This is the Shades by Shan gel eyeliner in the shade Brown Sugar, retailing for $18. This is a gel eyeliner that will not skip, smudge, or fade. You're looking at a creamy, long-wearing eyeliner that will deliver ultra-rich pigment in a single smooth, thanks to jojoba oil. I have so many gel liners, and I'm just going to be putting this in an upcoming giveaway because I don't need another one, especially right now. And the last item is one you're going to have to tell me if you want to see me use on camera, just because color-wise, it's not something that really excites me. This is the Shayna B Miami Eye Duo, and it is a brown with a shimmery gold. Can you name a more iconic eyeshadow duo? These perfectly paired pigments are buttery smooth and ultra blendable, making it easy to go from subtle to dramatic in the blink of an eye. Now, I've used products from this brand in the past, and the eyeshadow formula is not bad, but I will tell you, I don't normally go for a warm brown with a gold as a sort of combination. You know, I prefer taupey or more neutral, not so cool. I'm sorry, not so warm. I like taupey, cool, or neutral. And these warm colors on me just look very bright orange. If you really want to see me use it, let me know down below and I will. But personally, it's not really the color I tend to go for. Now, I will say for a bag that retails for $13, I am not looking to love every single item out of the bag. And if I get, 3 of 5 that I like, I'm very happy. Unfortunately, I did get 3. This one, I'm so excited to try that even if I don't like it, I probably would have ended up purchasing it at some point in the future just to try it because I like the rest of the line so much. Pleasantly surprised with the tone of this lip balm. Definitely still getting a lot of that watermelon flavor. And the hand cream has got to be the standout product for me. I keep like huffing my hands because that vanilla, tangerine, orange, it's just such a I was going to say unique, but it's not a unique combo. It's a classic combo. It's one that I really adore and one that I can see myself using day in and day out. I do want to remind you that this is the month where the BoxyCharm and IPSY, merger has officially taken place. That sale was announced like 2 years ago, but we're finally at a place where the BoxyCharm by IPSY has taken over in place of the Glam Bag Plus and the BoxyCharm base box, which means that even though nothing happened to this box, next month we also get to deal with the new IPSY Icon box, which is going to replace the Glam Bag X and the BoxyCharm X. No, IPSY X, Boxy Luxe. It's been a long time. Anyway, I'm really excited to do that comparison. I did mention in a previous video that actually right now, I'm going to be filming, and I will be posting it in a couple days, a video all about these mergers and what I'm thinking now that I've seen what the bags are going to look like moving forward and a little more on the future of IPSY and BoxyCharm. So please make sure you're subscribed so that you can see all of that info. Definitely don't want to miss that. And I do want to just remind you one more time that the base bag, technically this IPSY Glam Bag category has not changed, but I do find that even though the tier hasn't changed, I am getting a higher quality value out of the products in it than I did last month. And I think that has to do with the fact that IPSY is no longer trying to put out, like the company IPSY is no longer trying to put out an IPSY Glam Bag, an IPSY Glam Bag Plus, an IPSY X, a BoxyCharm Premium, and a Boxy Luxe. Now that they've really scaled it down, we can focus on getting better, higher quality products in each of the boxes. And I really think they're doing it so far. Last reminder, this is not sponsored. This is sent to me for reviewing purposes for my honest review, but nobody is paying me to say any of this. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comment section down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!